Hello there beauties, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. So today I'll be showing you guys how I created this high puff with curly bangs. If you're interested in seeing how I created this look, just keep watching.
Baby, you are a queen.
I'm going to show you guys what's inside April's Curleebox. For those of you that do not know what's Curleebox is a monthly subscription hair box which allows you to try different products from different brands every single month without breaking the bank. Yes, Curleebox is that affordable and such an awesome product box. Each month you get 4 to 5 full-size products and you get different product line from different brands. Now here's the fun part. You pay £20 a month for this awesome box, but if you use my discount code BBK, you'll get 10% off your first box and the box gets delivered straight to your door. As soon as you open the Curleebox, you'll see that it comes with the card with the Curleebox logo and the month in front of it. At the back, it tells you which products are in the box, the brand, and what the products do. So at the back, this card reads, Curlies, welcome to April's Curleebox. This month, we're excited to bring you an American brand, Eden Body Works. Jasmine Lawrence, the founder of Eden Body Works, started the company at the age of just 13. Wow. She was looking for a solution to her hair problems and was looking for products that were made with natural ingredients. Now they have established over 14 years and are well known for their high-performing products. That is just amazing. Their products are all 100% natural ingredients. Awesome, right? The first product in the Curleebox is the Eden Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo. The second product is the Eden Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Conditioner. The third product is a Peppermint Tea Tree Hair Milk. And the fourth product is a Natural Cleansing Co-Wash. Love it!
I respect your strength and admire your perseverance and showing the world that black women are more than their appearance. See, he made you royalty and to show you he meant it, topped you off with a crown and you wear it as he intended.
You're bold, loud, articulate and cute, kind of quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen. You are black, love, and confident too, kind of quintessential and you love being you, baby, you are a queen. Everything that I need.
I'm gonna start off by wetting my hair with rice water because I like my hair to be soaking wet before I shampoo. And you guys know I love my rice water.
Bold, loud, articulate and cute, kind of quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen.
The Curleebox had 2 cleansers in the box. They had the Cleansing Co-Wash and the Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo. So I couldn't decide which one to use. So I went for the shampoo. To shampoo my hair, I'm using the Eden Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo. The consistency of this shampoo is perfect. It's not too thick, it's not too watery either. It's just the perfect consistency. Love it! And the smells like fresh mint. It smells fantastic. I'm applying this shampoo on soaking wet hair because product just worked better for me on soaking wet hair. This shampoo contains no sulfate. It's considered a low poo, so that means it's very gentle on the hair and scalp. I really enjoyed using this shampoo. It gave my scalp a nice peppermint fresh sensation. It felt so good on my scalp. It cleansed both my hair and my scalp without leaving my hair dry. It had amazing leather. I love shampoos with good leather. Even after rinsing it out, my hair felt soft. It felt moisturized. So I definitely loved this shampoo.
Freaking expressly, they had a mother nature and say mother knows best. A little olive oil, maybe grape seed. In the winter, protect the styles and quick weave. Full of variety and class, but don't need any books. Medusa wardrobe, cause she can kill him with any look. And she don't do it for you fellas, don't lie to yourself. Working out for her health and her
Hey you guys, so I'm back from shampooing my hair. I had to shampoo my hair twice because my hair was so dirty, it was tangled, and it had so much flakes as you saw before. So I'm glad I got my life together. Yeah, so let me show you the results. I had to shampoo in sections because my hair was that dirty. Freshly washed hair. It's all good now. Yes, so my hair is nice and clean. Oh, the feeling of freshly washed hair. Bliss. Yes, this is what life's about. To condition my hair, I'm using Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Conditioner. I'm applying this conditioner to wet hair because products work better for me on wet hair and it makes detangling so easy. The consistency of this conditioner is thick and creamy, just how I like my products. I was very impressed by all the ingredients in these products and the scent too. It smells like fresh mint or peppermint. It smells really, really good. But if you don't like the smell of peppermint, then this product is not for you. As soon as I applied this product to my wet hair, my hair felt like butter, you guys. It felt so soft, it felt so smooth, it felt moisturized, and detangling with this product was a breeze. My fingers were just gliding through it. It was just super easy. So I definitely loved this product for detangling. It made my hair feel soft and manageable. So if you have any issues with detangling or you have dry brittle hair, I'll definitely recommend this product. It's super moisturizing, and as we all know, peppermint is known to increase scalp circulation and to promote hair growth. So I definitely loved this product. I know you guys wanted to know how my shedding looked like, so this is how much I shed in one section of the thorough detangling. This is 2.5 weeks of shed hairs.
Everything that I need.
Yeah, it's something about a black woman. Then let me know one of them gotta be the right woman. Gotta respect them cause all of them was created strong. Don't meet the standard of beauty, no, they create their own. Full of style and confidence as early as the birth stage. And every year they get more encouraged as they incur age. Cause you know black don't crack, and these women are Nickelodeon, I swear they all at it. Never been the type to mimic what they say look good on TV. Too busy in the mirror saying, man, it's
To style and moisturize my hair, I'm using the Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Hair Milk. It contains jojoba oil, avocado, and other nourishing ingredients. What I loved about this hair milk is that it wasn't runny like other hair milks. It was the perfect consistency. It was super creamy, just how I like my products. It made my hair feel really soft, shiny, moisturized, and manageable. So I loved this product. I think it's actually the best product from the line for me. So I knew it would give me soft, shiny, and defined curls. Love it.
or maybe grapeseed. In the winter, protected styles and quick weave. Full of variety and class, but don't need any books. Medusa wardrobe, cause she can kill them with any look. And she don't do it for you fellas, don't lie to yourself. Working out for her health and her body and wealth. Uniquely individual, not what you see in magazines. Cause who would want to?
So to achieve my curls, all I did was apply the hair milk, detangle, secure the perm rod. So I applied the hair milk, detangle, secure the perm rods. I think I had about 24 perm rods and allowed my hair to air dry for about 2 to 3 days. And that's it.
Queen Nefertari, Cleopatra, Nefertiti, beautiful brown baby daughter, sisters from Naturally Gigi. I salute you when I see thee, and all you pioneers, cause like the queens from bar one, you took the throne despite fears. I respect your strength and admire your perseverance, and showing the world that black women are more than their appearance. See, he made you royalty, and to show you he meant it, topped you off with a crown, and you wear it as he intended.
You're bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen. You are black, loud, and confident too. kinda quintessential, and you love being you. Baby, you are a queen, everything that I need. You're bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need. Baby, you are a queen. You are black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential, and you love being you. Baby, you are a queen. Everything that I need.
Yeah. It's something about a black woman. Then let me know one of them gotta be the right woman. Gotta respect them cause all of them was created strong. Don't meet the standard of beauty, no they create their own. Full of style and confidence as early as the birth stage. And every year they get more encouraged as they incur age. Cause you know black don't crack, and these women are Nickelodeon, I swear they all at it. Never been the type to mimic what they say look good on TV. Too busy in the mirror saying, man, it's good to be me. Or watching Naturally Gigi, learning from charismatic that they're precious as an unearthed amber when looking lavish.
You're bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need. Baby, you are a queen. You are a queen. You're black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential, and you love being you. Baby, you are a queen. Everything that I need. Things that I need.
Yeah. You gotta love a naturalista. Beautiful, black, and exclusive, yeah, she the platinum visa. A black American expressly, they had a mother nature and say mother knows best. A little olive oil, maybe grape seed. In the winter, protected styles and quick weave. Full of variety and class, but don't need any books. Medusa wardrobe, cause she can kill them with any look. And she don't do it for you fellas, don't lie to yourself. Working out for her health and her body and wealth. Uniquely individual, not what you see in magazines. Cause who would want a twin once they see that they can have queen?
Bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need.